would you say the team, the experience, what it's been like for you?
The team, it's a wonderful experience. Everything is so wonderful.
Good.
Yeah, I never had a complaint or anything like that. It's just everything smooth.
Awesome. Hey everybody, my name is Dr. Ward. I'm in Towson, Maryland, just north of Baltimore with Ellie today, and she just got her functional movement screen. So she just did an evaluation. She's getting ready to start a strength program, and she's been seeing me in the past for tension headaches and neck pain. I'm going to show you how we treat that, as well as speak briefly to the program she'll do. She'll be coming in a few times a week, and over the next 3 months working out and working on getting stronger, working with the personal trainers. She's out of the kind of the problem that brought her in as it relates to feeling better. Sometimes things pop up here and there and we take care of them if they do, but for the most part she's doing really, really well. This is just what it looks like to get her neck worked on, as well as doing some soft tissue work. She's got some referred pain coming from the back of her neck, and she's got some jaw pain that's kind of spreading. So I'm going to work on those two areas today. She just woke up with it. You'll get to see just my approach to treating neck pain and tension headaches coming from the neck. And then, yeah, I'm just going to kind of pretend like you're not there, to be honest with you. The saffron you gave me, we're making paella this week. Come on.
That's so wonderful.
Yeah, thank you so much for thinking of us. Appreciate you.
Yeah,
it's awesome.
No problem. Yes, that's so wonderful.
Let's start with you sitting right here for me. We're going to do some soft tissue work on that neck and shoulder. You got to work with Amelia a little bit today, right?
Yes, Amelia's nice.
And she is lovely, isn't she?
She's very lovely.
I know.
Yes.
The team over there you'll like a lot. So you got your in-body scan, so you've got kind of metrics to work off of. We'll reevaluate those at the end of 3 months. You'll see the progress that you have with it. And then relative to that, you can, and I'll give you the form for it, you can reach out to Brittany, who's my sister. She is a certified health coach. She'll be working alongside our nurse practitioner. If you want to get any additional work done or work with somebody as it relates to dialing in nutrition and dialing in some other metrics that you can monitor through blood work. Okay? So it's going to be kind of a full team approach for you as it relates to you getting stronger. Bring your head back for me and bring your head down. So I'll give you that info for you, okay?
Okay.
Actually, Carly, can you give me that info for me?
Yes.
Bring your head back. Nice and easy. You're going to go back for me. Good. There you go. And then head down, nice and easy. Good. Chin your chest. Good. And then turn. Boca arriba, por favor. And then chin down. So Ellie is bilingual. She helps me with my Spanish sometimes in here as well, so I appreciate that. Head back for me. Down. Rotate your head to your right. And brings me back gifts from her travels, which is also very nice of her. And then rotate. Tuck your chin down for me again. Turn your head to your left. So, to the right. Take your left arm and drop it over the side of the chair. Nice. Good. Rotate to the left. Good. To the right. So, although the setup seems intense, it's a really controlled, gentle adjustment, because I'll just get her to a comfortable spot. She's got pressure there. Good. And turn right. Good. And it's just like enough force in the right position. It doesn't feel, it feels intense because it's like a deep release, but it's not like, it doesn't hurt when I do that, does it?
No. Fantastic.
Fantastic. No se duele en su cuello
No.
cuando usa este justo.
No, no hay dolor.
And then rotate your lip. poquito más en la derecha, por favor. Rotate to the left. I got you. So, although she like is looking forward to the relief, your body will like. I think a lot of people get concerned about like becoming tense, you know, like holding on to pressure, and it's all good because it's a natural reaction. There you go. For the body to like resist because it's getting moved around, right? Without its own will. But if like with the right touch and patience, like that was just so smooth, it was just like a good amount of pressure just let go, and that upper cervical spine was really clean, easy adjustment, really focused in the right area that needed to move the right way, in my opinion. Let me see your left arm go across your body. Let me see. Oh gosh. Puedo ver su hombro y mano. Adiante? No, what's across? Cruzando. Su cuerpo.
Sí.
Derecha. No, I stumble through it, but if I put enough nouns together, she has, she can help me through it. Good job. And then bring your head down. Nice. So, cervical spine tension headaches, and I want to work on the jaw a little bit and work on some of the sensory points that can cause some of that irritation. Loose, good. Good, and relax. So it's when I work with Ellie, I'm feeling, I'm moving. It's not just like I have pain here, so treat in this spot. It's like you have to assess the mechanics of the joint, like really palpate to see how things are feeling and moving, relatively speaking. And then after I work on it, go back and check that out again. See how it's holding up. Like a lot better on that right side. Left side is freed up for sure. Shoulder feels good. She's just in a better spot, and she should report feeling better. Come stand on up for me, please. Let's lie. Poco abajo, por favor. Okay, so I know that means mouth down, mouth up, but that's what someone told me was the right way of saying that.
Okay.
Poco abajo, poco arriba. Yeah, relaxing. You go. Rest. Like really gentle here, okay? Good. Just pressure from my hands, just like that. This table's a little squeaky, so. Good. Okay. And then relax your shoulder blades. Solid. Good. Let me bring the table up for you, and you're gonna go on your back for me, okay? And relax your head all the way. So you're home. You're gonna get to work here a little bit, it sounds like.
Yes.
You're back for a little bit. Do you have any fun trout?
Yes.
We're supposed to follow that. It's supposed to be like a...
Every time I have to do it.
I missed that shot. So...
Yeah, for well, now I don't have my passport is being. I need to renew my passport. They are renewing right now, so.
I gotcha. So nothing planned right now?
Yeah, no plane.
Okay. I gotcha. Gentle, okay? You can lay your hands right here. Good. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. Good. Gently open your jaw for me and mouth. Perfect. And close. Jayla's like, what are you doing in there? Turn left. Open. Good. Close. Deep breath in. Settle. Do that again for me. Respirar un poquito más. And breathe out. Awesome. Okay. Open your jaw. Close it and relax. You can feel pressure on this little tight muscle there. Okay? Be a little tender. Let me know if it goes above an intensity of like 4 out of 10. Right there. Good. Relax your jaw. Good. There it is. Good. Okay. Smooth. Good job. Way to let go. It's hard to let your jaw relax, that adjustment, but you did well. Moved just fine. So, you've been coming to see me for like a little bit. Your time here, relatively speaking, like, what would you say the team, the experience, what it's been like for you?
The team, it's a wonderful experience. Everything is so wonderful.
Good.
Yeah, I never had a complaint or anything like that. It's just everything's smooth.
Awesome.
I love it.
I'm glad you have that good experience. I really like, and speaking to the team and the quality of the people that we have here, it really is just shout out to them. Thank you. And I hope that if you're not in this area that you find good people that want to pour into you. And then I think what she's doing right now is she's taking a step towards taking a lot of action in her own health and creating a separate or a new identity around her movement practice and her exercise and fitness, and she's got the motivation of having family and being there for her grandkids. Like that's a really powerful position to come from, and I get so excited. Like this is very motivating to be around people like that all the time. Like this is my day, because you know what a beautiful thing that is, right?
Yes,
and you're gonna take good action to take care of yourself right now. Like
I just don't want to be a burden for nobody, and I just want to be free, working by myself, and healthy and. Yes.
I think we have a community. People come here, right? We have a community of people getting better and helping, and I'm just a catalyst for her to stay in that mindset, okay? Like that I think is true healthcare relative to it all. And she is controlling her own outcomes now. So I'm so excited that you're starting the strength program. I'm so excited that you'll have those connections if you need it from a functional medicine standpoint, nutrition, and if there's something that's bugging you or you're feeling like there's any pain, but also like from a wellness standpoint, I'm here for your spine, okay?
Yes.
And your joints, muscles. You can see I'm not just like adjusting the back, it's other things that we're doing in here, and that's everybody in this team. Jayla's giving me that look, I gotta go. Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome so much. Yeah. I appreciate you. All good.
Thank you, doctor.
Mm-hmm.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thanks for watching.